In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jobber. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Jobber website. It's important to start on the right web page, so make sure you're at the official site to access all the features Jobber offers. Next, you'll need to decide whether you want to start with a free trial or jump straight into a subscription plan. If you're new to Jobber, a free trial can be a fantastic way to acquaint yourself with the platform without any immediate commitment. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll be prompted to provide your email address and create a password. It's always a good idea to choose a secure password that you haven't used elsewhere to keep your account safe. With those details sorted, you're on the way to setting up your Jobber account. Now, complete the initial setup by entering some personal details including your name, phone number, and company information. This step is crucial, as it helps personalize your experience and ensures that your Jobber account reflects your business's identity. Following this, you will need to input more specific company details like your company name, the industry you operate in, and your website, if you have one. You will also be asked to indicate your top priorities, such as whether you're aiming to run more efficiently or to attract more customers. This information helps Jobber tailor its tools to best support your business goals. The next step is to head over to the Settings section. This is where you can personalize various aspects of your Jobber account to match your company's needs. Begin by adding your business logo to give your Jobber interface a personalized touch. Once your logo is in place, consider adding any team members who will be using Jobber. It's important to manage their permissions and roles effectively so that each member has access to the right features and data. As you proceed, make sure to configure your email templates, text message settings, and automated reminders. Personalizing these elements helps streamline communication with clients and ensures that reminders and messages are consistent with your company's branding. Next, you should set up work types, define job durations, and establish other preferences. This will make scheduling and job management more efficient and can even help optimize how your team uses their time. Don't forget to customize your route settings, notifications, and other account-specific preferences. Tailoring these settings can significantly enhance productivity, making sure that your team gets the right updates at the right time and routes are managed efficiently. With these steps complete, you now have a fully set-up Jobber account customized to suit the needs of your business. Exploring these features will help you get the most out of Jobber and enable you to manage your operations smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy job managing with Jobber.